D is equal to the square root of 2HR, where D is equal to 14, and H is equal to negative 7. So that means that 14 is equal to the square root of 2 times negative 7 times my term R. Okay, so can someone tell me, how do I get rid of square roots? How do I get rid of them? Yep? Okay, very close. How can we say that better? We can take the square of both sides, because if I take the square of the left-hand side and the square of the right-hand side, what happens to the right-hand side is that the square root just simply disappears. So I just have 2 times negative 7 times R. And can someone tell me what what 14 squared is? 14 times 14. Does anyone know? Anyone know? Okay. Did I hear the answer? Yeah? 14 times 14? 196. That's 14 times 14. So I have, I want to see you guys taking notes. 196 is equal to 2 times negative 7 is negative 14R. So we have to simply divide both sides by negative 14, which gives me a final answer. 196 divided by negative 14 is simply negative 14. So R is equal to negative 14. So we can verify that 2 times negative 7 times negative 14 is going to give me the square, and the square root of that is going to be equal to positive 14. So that's what happens when we have a square root. We will do one more example when we have the opposite situation, so we have a variable to the power of 2, okay? And I think this is the problem that a lot of people were getting wrong. So K is equal to WV squared over 2G, where K is equal to 45, W, capital W, is equal to 10, and V is equal to 12. So that means that 45 is going to be equal to capital W, which is 10, times V squared, which is going to be 12 squared, all over 2 times G. 2 times my G terms. And we're trying to solve for G. So the first thing that I would do, because this is set up as a fraction, and we can turn the left-hand side, the whole number, to put it over a denomination of 1. So we have a fraction and a fraction separated by an equal sign. First thing I'm going to do is cross multiply. So if we have 45 times 2G, that gives me 70G. And the right-hand side, the right-hand numerator, 10 times 12 squared, we're just multiplying it by 1. So it simply stays as 10 times 12 squared, and 12 squared I know is 144. Now, to get rid of that 70 attached to the G, I simply have to divide both sides by 70. So my final answer, G is equal to 10 times 144, which is 1440, divided by 70, which gives me the final answer of G is equal to 20.5, or we can kind of reduce that. 1440. If I divide both sides by 10, I get 144 over 7, which is approximately equal, 45 times 2. 45 times 2. Oh, sorry, that my mistake. So that makes sense. This should be a 90. 90. That makes a lot more sense. So this should be 1,440 divided by 90, which gives me a value of 16. That makes a lot more sense. G is equal to 16. Okay, so that's a situation when we have a power instead of a square root. So there are a few more examples in assignment B that you can do on your own, and make sure to review this stuff before the test because it's definitely going to appear on your test. And word problems. All the word problems in your unit guide you have to be comfortable with in order to do your test. If you are stuck, you don't know how to translate written statements into algebraic equations, you need to come see me and get help. Okay? That's it for the seminar today.